Hey everyone, Casey Smith with Interstates here, and we're continuing our social media sit down here at GEAPS Exchange 2022. And right now I'm sitting with Drew with Electro-Sensors. How's the show going for you, Drew?
Going great.
Good.
Good traffic. A lot of excitement.
A lot of excitement?
Yes.
Yeah, so some of the excitement that we're seeing, and you probably are as well, is about different technology that's being used in the grain industry today. So from your perspective, what are some of the things that you're seeing when it comes to different technologies being used?
Some of the newest technologies are wireless system.
Okay.
Wireless it has its pros and cons.
Okay.
You know, the cost of installation is one of the pros.
So you're talking wireless specifically within hazard monitoring?
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Hazard
so sometimes people say that you know, wireless grain industry, you know, there could be a little concern with safety on that. So,
well, we're all about safety.
Okay.
I mean, the monitoring bearings.
Okay.
Bearing temperature, your typical monitoring. Bearing, belt alignment, vibration, speed, motion.
Okay.
Very important. We can take all those signals wirelessly and eliminate the cost of conduit, running power up to everything.
Okay.
It's a good technology, and it's really taken. How can I say it? Taken root.
Okay. You talk about, you know, one of the things seems to be convenience in my eyes. So how easy is it for folks to use on site?
Very easy.
Okay.
It's a simple installation as far as these are self-powered units you can install, and if you can put a rub block in,
okay,
you can mount this.
So everything from temperature to vibration and so on, right?
Speed,
yes, as well. Okay. Great. Any advice to anyone that you think is looking at considering wireless? Any one or two key things they should take into consideration?
Good question. The key things, cost of installation is one of the biggest benefits.
Okay.
The monitoring itself, the signal can, if you have a warning or shutdown, it's going to alert you via email and let you know. Or whoever is selected to be on that list of people to notify. And that notification, you know, your maintenance guys could be on site, and the manager's home eating breakfast, and he's going to get a signal. Okay. And maybe he has to call his guys and say, "Hey, do you know what's going on?"
So immediate feedback, really, right?
Remote notification is one of the key points to it.
Very cool.
As well as the history.
Okay.
History, you know, from the day it starts, where the sensors are going, and you know, you get a heavy load of grain one day. Every Tuesday you get this in, you notice, you know, bearing at elevator E, that inside bearing's getting hot.
Okay.
You know, is it just you need to lube it, or is that time for replacement?
Interesting, good stuff. Well, hey, Drew, thanks for sitting down with us. So again, wireless Hasmon, it's one of the popular trends here at GEAPS Exchange 2022.